So I've got this old Kawasaki three-wheeler I picked up recently, and all the tires are in really rough shape. It's hard to see, but there's some massive dry rot. I even patched some of the dry rot with some plugs. I've tried Fix-A-Flat. That was garbage. Might as well just put water in the tires. I put the green slime in there, which actually helped with some of the spots and finished sealing up around where some of the plugs were. And I've got a third product I'll make a video on, and supposedly it'll be able to fix almost any leak in any tire. So yeah, come back for that video.